After months in the making, Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett on Friday unveiled Jamaica's first ever Jam Iconic Experience sign. Questions are being raised, however, about the cost of the sign. As you'll hear in this report from Anthony Lugg, the sign is expected to boost the attractiveness of the resort town and enhance the experience of visitors.
Three, here we go.
Stakeholders in Westmoreland at the unveiling of a Welcome to Negril sign on Friday. The sign comes at a cost of $12 million. The finished product, which includes lighting, landscaping and palm trees, is expected to increase tourism within rural areas, add aesthetic appeal to destination areas, and provide a photo experience for locals and visitors alike. This was Tourism Minister Ed Bartlett.
First contact you have with community is signage. And so to invite you to Negril in a friendly, warm, aesthetic way is a great statement of comfort to you. It makes you feel that, yes, it's a good place to go. Yes, there are good people here. Yes, the hospitality should be warm and friendly because the welcome is such. And so I want to say to you that the decision to do this is not born out of just an expenditure of $12 million that they have put on it. It is born out of a desire to build a sense of pride and community ownership.
In November 2018, eyebrows were raised when the government announced that a $17 million iconic welcome sign would be constructed at the roundabout near Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay. But following public outrage, the Tourism Ministry was forced to revise the cost to $14.7 million.
The decision to do this is not born out of just an expenditure of $12 million that they have put on it. It is born out of a desire to build a sense of pride and community ownership. This sign belongs to you, it belongs to Negril. It must be embraced by you, but it also must be a statement of the warmth of your own emotion and feeling towards visitors and people who come into your space.
Meanwhile, President of the Negril Chamber of Commerce, Richard Wallace, welcomed the new sign.
I want to, if I'm so allowed, to declare this sign as a sign of things to come for Negril. Pun intended. This sign is a sign of things to come. And so, Minister, we are very happy and we are hopeful. And, we know that Negril can do a lot more for Jamaica.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.